Yeah, it's a parking garage. You know the routine. You pull up to the gate. You push the button, and a ticket arrives. I push the button, and there's no ticket. I push the button again, and there's still no ticket. I push it a little harder. I see there's other buttons. I'm pushing buttons, and I don't get a ticket. I read the easy instructions, and it tells me to push the button. So now I'm screaming and pushing buttons. And over the loudspeaker, a voice comes on and says, "Hi, I'm Charlie. Do you need some help?" And I say, "Charlie, I'm pushing buttons, and I'm not getting any ticket." And so I push the button again just to show him I know where the button is, and so he can see that I don't get a ticket. I said, "Charlie, it's one of those days you push buttons and nothing happens." He said, "Yeah, tell me about it. That's my life in a nutshell." And I say, "I'm really sorry, Charlie. Anything I can do for you?" He said, "Thanks for asking. Nobody usually asks me what they can do for me." I say, "Well, anything I can do, I can help." And now there's cars behind me, and they're all beeping their horns. They're wondering what's taking so long. I roll down my window and I yell back to them, "Calm down. I'm trying to give Charlie a little love here." I said, "Charlie, I guess there's not much I can do for you." He said, "No worries." I said, "I wish I could give you a little fun." He said, "Don't worry about it. I'm gonna take it out on this next person who's been honking their horn." All of a sudden I hear a beep and there's a ticket. I said, "Thanks, Charlie. I appreciate that." I said, "What's gonna happen with this next guy?" He said, "Oh, he'll come up to it. He'll start pushing buttons. And I'll say to him, all you have to do is keep pushing the button, you'll get a ticket. Thanks for being here at Serenity Garage, where we make it all easy. Just keep pushing the button. There won't be a ticket. Just push the button. Keep pushing. Push the button. That's right. Push the button. Keep pushing.